Hello everyone, my name is Ilya, welcome to my channel, and today we'll talk about transformations. So there are four types of transformations, and today we'll cover translations. But first, what's a transformation? It's kind of like a manipulation of a shape or formula that maps the shape or formula from its pre-image or original position to its image or after transformation position. So basically, you have like an image, for example, a square, and you move it around the coordinate plane. Okay, so today we'll cover translation. That's our first type of transformation, which is basically sliding on the coordinate plane. If we want to translate something right, like x tiles, in notation we'll put it, the point is xy. But actually let's put an a over here. If we want to move our image a points to the right, from our original notation we'll have to make x plus a of how many points we want to slide it, and y as it is. And let's try an example. Okay, so our point B is at coordinate 1, 1. And we want to slide it 1 point to the right. So we'll write T 1 O. That's how you annotate it, which means that you have to the coordinates of point B, add 1 for x and 0 for y. So our point will slide to the right by 1. We'll go from here to here. And this will be our B prime. And the same thing if you want to translate it to the left by A points from our original coordinates of the point. You'll have to leave the x, subtract from the x the amount of points you want to move, and leave y by itself. Let's try this. So if we want to move something to the left, we'll have to subtract from the original point some points. So we'll have to put negative, and we'll have our point C at negative 1, 1. And if we want to translate it to the left, we'll have to subtract from x1 and leave y by itself, and our point C will move from here to here by 1 tile, will be our C prime. Okay, let's try another type. If we want to translate something up by A points, from our original point we'll have to leave the x by itself, and to y add as many points as we want to move by. Let me show you. Our point B is at the coordinate 1, 1. And we want to translate it up by 1. So we'll put an 1 in place of y coordinate to move it up on the y coordinate by 1. And so we'll write it as x by itself and y plus 1. So from a B point it will move up 1, it will be B prime, and the coordinate will be 1, 2. And a kind of similar thing if you want to translate something down by A points. So from our original coordinate of the point, we'll have to leave the x by itself, and from y we have to subtract as many points as we want to move down by. So this will be our notation, and like that. And on the coordinate plane it will be like this. From our point B, 1, 1. It'll move down by 1, so our point will be right here. We are B prime, and the coordinates will be 1, 0. So that's how you translate points on the coordinate planes. Hopefully that was helpful. Thank you for your attention. Bye.